So Samsung might have just leaked the official design for their upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 in wide. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide has been spotted on the latest One UI 9 by Android Authority, confirming the book-style foldable design. Previously, Android Headlines posted the first CAD renders, offering an early look at what Samsung's wider foldable will look like. And it does look way different from Samsung's regular Z Fold series. Since now we have the confirmation from Samsung itself, let's jump into the wider specs that you can expect from the Z Fold 8 Wide. Samsung is planning to launch this new edition of foldable smartphones this year, specifically to compete with the upcoming iPhone Fold. As you can see from the leaked image, it looks to be shorter and wider, more like what we have seen with the Google Pixel Fold and Oppo Find N2. The Z Fold 8 Wide will have a dual camera setup on the back, a 200 megapixel primary camera accompanied by a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. In comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to retain a triple camera setup, potentially including a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom in addition to the primary and ultra-wide cameras. When unfolded, the wide fold will likely have a much wider screen aspect ratio compared to the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8 and all previous Galaxy Z Fold models. With a 3:4 aspect ratio, that's much closer to a traditional tablet compared to the regular foldable smartphones. Another renowned tipster has shared the dummy units of all the upcoming foldables from Samsung, confirming that the Z Fold 8 Wide will have support for wireless charging. Reports suggest that these are magnetic coils to ensure accurate alignment of the charger. What Samsung really needs to work on is the crease on displays. We have seen other companies already managing to minimize the crease level to almost invisible, whereas you can clearly see creases on every Galaxy foldable smartphone. To be honest, this actually ruins the overall aesthetics of the phone. Now, both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Wide are expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor, which is also used in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This should be more than enough to run high graphic-intensive apps smoothly and multitasking. That's the main aspect of having a foldable smartphone, right? Being able to use multiple apps at the same time. According to Korean reports, the next Unpacked event from Samsung will be held on the 22nd of July, where the company is expected to launch all 3 foldables. Surely everyone will have eyes on the Z Fold 8 Wide to see how the new smartphone works. Samsung has been going with the same foldable pattern for a long time without any significant upgrade from one generation to the next. However, with Apple closing in on launching its own foldable smartphone, the competition has become real now. So do you think Samsung will still be able to stay on top over the iPhone Fold?